So the bottom line is, guys, when you're flipping a house, things come up. And we always figure an oops factor in our home flipping checklist that we do. We always figure a 10% of our budget for an oops factor. This is going to eat up a lot of that oops factor, but at least we already have it figured into the budget.
I just came up with our solution.
I'm listening.
I'm staring right at it.
I'm Glenn.
And I'm Amber. And we're entrepreneurs, real estate investors, and parents in upstate New York.
We've been flipping houses for over a decade. It totally changed our lives and put us on the path of building the life that we choose.
So come along with us as we share a peek into our life and our business.
All right, so contractor called. I guess we have a buried oil tank at this house. They cleared away a bunch of crap in the back, and now we have a buried oil tank to deal with. So let's go check it out. I don't know why they didn't see it before.
Lovely. Too much stuff in the way.
Yeah, let's go check it out. So, buried oil tank. Well, what do you do? So obviously when you're looking around the house, there's oil in it. Let's see. This ought to smell great.
I'm glad it's you and not me.
Do you have a match? All right. Can see some oil down there. It doesn't smell horrible, but can see some down there. All right. So I guess there was stuff all here, and they, yeah, so how are we going to fix this? So obviously this is an unexpected thing in our house. This is not something we expected.
And our budget.
And our budget. Yes, not something we expected. Ironically, we put a new septic system here. I mean, we got the pipeline over there. We already put a new septic in. It's a shame because we already had a machine back here. I don't know how they got the machine back here. So then I have to get rid of the oil tank. So how do we get rid of the oil tank? What do we do? Let me call Nick. Let me see what we can do. All right, so the value of having great relationships is that if you have a guy that does your excavation work, you can actually give them a call and have that taken out. You don't have to go make it too complicated. It's not, again, if we have fluid in there, it's not rotting to the bottom, right, more than likely. That's when it can cause a problem with the EPA and get kind of serious if there's stuff leaking through. But have a guy come out. If there's permits required, he'll take care of all that. I don't think they require it here, actually. I don't know what they do, but if they do, he'll have to get that. We'll take that out of there, put dirt in there, and we're good to go. So we weren't expecting to spend $2,000.
So now you're going to come to me and ask me to shave $2,500 out of my interior budget, aren't you?
I'm going to ask you to shave $2,000 because I got them down $500. So we got $2,000. So now if we can try to shave money off the budget someplace, that's a lot of money to shave off, but what can we do? And I think we bought this one right, so we got room in it, so I think we're okay.
Yeah, I'll have to make a few adjustments here and there, but we'll see what we can do.
So the bottom line is, guys, when you're flipping a house, things come up. And we always figure an oops factor in our home flipping checklist that we do. We always figure a 10% of our budget for an oops factor. This is going to eat up a lot of that oops factor, but at least we already have it figured into the budget.
I just came up with our solution.
I'm listening.
I'm staring right at it. So follow me over here. So we were originally going to repair this deck, and then we were going to replace this deck, and now I think we repair it again. So
okay,
this is where we're going to make up our money.
Okay.
Because we only have rotted boards like from here over. So that was our original plan, was to take this part of it off, make this the end of the deck, and then we'll power wash that, get all this old paint off, and then we'll refinish it, and it'll look like a brand new deck.
What's that new covering you can put on that deck?
Renew, yeah. It's a Behr product, and we did it on a house recently, and it turned out really, really good. So there you go.
Good. Problem solved. All right, guys, that's it. You're going to have problems on houses. Just make sure you buy them right to begin with. So when a problem does come up, you've got room to get through it. And you have a good designer that can fix stuff. And when you lose $2,000 here, you can find $2,000 over here. Hey, good job, babe. All right, talk to you.